Hello and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to resolve Remini app crashing. So let's get started with the video. First, you need to check for app updates. You can go to your Play Store, or if you are using an iPhone, you can go to the App Store. In the search bar, you need to search for Remini application. And here, if you are getting an option of update, you need to make sure that you have updated the application. The next thing is you need to clear cache or data. For that, you need to go to the settings of your phone. Once you're on the settings, here at the upper right corner, you can go to the search bar and search for Remini application, or you can go under Zap. Scroll down and you need to click on storage section. Here you will get an option of clear cache at below right corner. You need to click on that. Post that, you need to go to the general settings of your phone and you need to make sure that your phone is of the updated version. You can go to the search bar and in the search bar search for software update. So once you have searched for the software update, click on download and install. You need to wait for if there is any update available. Make sure you are using the updated version. The next thing is you need to disable battery saver or background restriction. For that, you need to again go to the search bar and search for Remini application under apps. Here, when you will scroll down till the end, you will here get an option of battery. Make sure that you have make it to unrestricted. You need to click on unrestricted. So basically this application will allow to use the battery in background without any restriction. The next thing is the last thing which you can do is try to uninstall and reinstall the application. You can here click on this particular app and then press on it and then click on uninstall. A pop-up window will come, click on OK. And post that, you can again go to the Play Store and install the application. So this is how you can fix the app crashing issue. If the tutorial was helpful, please like and subscribe.